It's lights out and away we go. Leclerc and Perez get away well. Hamilton behind Leclerc wanting to get on with it, as is Pierre Gasly in the AlphaTauri, and Sergio Perez leads them into the first corner as he did in Baku. Hamilton goes wide. Carlos Sainz will slip through into third place. We now make the turn right-handed and onto the Raffles Boulevard, and it's a long straight towards the next left-hander, and you can see the spray coming up there, but nothing to interfere with Sergio Perez's view. He's out in front. Lando Norris has a look at Lewis Hamilton around the outside. Fernando Alonso keeping Pierre Gasly at bay. Oh, and that's Lewis Hamilton going straight on.
Lewis Hamilton had a helping hand off the road in turn 2.
Over the bumps. Just couldn't turn. Verstappen's getting his elbows out, and I think he might have made contact with the back of Lance Stroll's Aston Martin, and once again losing more places. That's Daniel Ricciardo making his way past Max Verstappen. Verstappen on the inside will now try and get that place back again, and he does. Verstappen not having an easy start here. Worth pointing out, Sebastian Vettel in 8th place. Tremendous start from him in his final Singapore Grand Prix. His teammate Lance Stroll under pressure now from Max Verstappen, who slides down the inside and moves his Red Bull up into the top 10. Green flags waving. Perez from Leclerc, from Sainz, from Hamilton, from Norris. There's Alonso, and then comes Gasly and Vettel, and Max Verstappen once again right on Sebastian Vettel's tail. And Verstappen certainly wasn't caught napping at the start of the race once again. He was very much on his toes and trying to get past Sebastian Vettel, and has he had a little look? Hamilton, frustrated behind Carlos Sainz, has gone straight on and has hit the barrier. And that's the issue for Yuki Tsunoda. He's gone into the barriers at turn 10.
Switch off.
Let's see what they've got in store for us now as we race towards the checkered flag. Sergio Perez into the first corner ahead of Charles Leclerc and Carlos Sainz. Max Verstappen right up behind Lando Norris. Daniel Ricciardo comes next on the soft compound tyre. Everyone else bar Bottas is on the medium compound tyre.
Yeah, both Red Bulls, and using the straight line to try to put some energy into the tyre. You're not really losing anything down there, swinging around, and you can see then Verstappen immediately with lots of confidence.
Behind Ricciardo, Stroll, Vettel, Hamilton and Gasly complete the top 10. There goes Max Verstappen locking up his brakes, and Max Verstappen goes straight on, manages to stop in time, spins the car around 180 degrees and rejoins the race. Verstappen went for it, but were those tyres and brakes too cold to make such a bold move? This, the greatest race for Sergio Perez.
Vamos, Checo. Unbelievable. What a drive.
This is how we do it, man. We shut our mouth and we work hard. This is the Mexican way. Well done, guys.
Well, it was the night that Max Verstappen had his first chance at winning a world championship, but it was his teammate who decided to go and grab the headlines. He led every single lap of the race up to lap 48. Sergio Perez on top of the podium and having a brilliant night here in Singapore, our winner this evening.